Hello friends, welcome back to our channel kidSuniverse Academy. I'm really happy to see you again. Today we will do the English reading practice. Read along with me, episode 2. So let's do the warm up word the. T-H-E. The. C. S-E-A. C. B-I-G. Big. Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. W-A-V-E. Wave. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Deep. D-E-E-P. S-A-I-L. Sail. Now let's start with the section 1 reading with the sentence. So let's start. The sea is blue. Now it's your turn to read. Start reading. Next. The fish can swim. Now it's your time to read. Start reading. Next sentence. The wave is big. Your turn. Next. I see a bot. Your turn. Next. The bot is red. Your turn. Next. I like the sea. Your turn. Next. The sea is deep. Your turn. Next. Fish live in water. Your turn. Clap for you. Now we are moving forward to section 2. So let's start. The crab is small. Your turn. Next. Crabs walk sideways. Your turn. Next. The shell is pink. Your turn. Next. I found a shell. Your turn. Next. The shark is fast. Your turn. Next. Sharks have sharp teeth. Your turn. Next. The turtle swims slow. Your turn. Next. I see the turtle. Your turn. Clap for you. Now let's moving forward to section 3. Let's start. The ocean is very big. Your turn. Next. Many fish live here. Your turn. Next. The water is cold today. Your turn. Next. I swim in the sea. Your turn. Next. The waves are so loud. Your turn. Next. I love the blue sea. Your turn. Clap for yourself. Now it's time for quiz time. So you have to read yourself. Start reading. Amazing reading, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Kids Universe Academy. Thanks for watching our channel.